Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan popsicles. First, gather your ingredients. Start with ripe fruits for natural sweetness, like a cup of strawberries or a whole mango. Next, pick a creamy base. About 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk works wonderfully. If you prefer, add a natural sweetener such as 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. These simple choices lay the foundation for delicious, healthy treats. Now, let's get blending. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps, which usually takes about 1 minute. This is your chance to get creative with flavors. Try a half cup of fresh mint with pineapple for a tropical twist. A tiny pinch of salt can actually brighten the fruit flavors, making your popsicles even more vibrant. Once your mixture is perfectly blended, it's time to prepare for freezing. Carefully pour the liquid into your popsicle molds, making sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. After about 1 hour in the freezer, when the mixture is slightly firm, insert your popsicle sticks. For the best results, allow them to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight, ensuring they are completely solid. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, enjoying your delicious vegan popsicles. To easily remove them from their molds, simply run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 15 to 20 seconds. They should then slide out effortlessly. These homemade treats are best enjoyed fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in your freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next refreshing moment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.